How to add contact in Telegram using QR code. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find my profile option. Now tap on it. Then to add contact using the QR code, you need to have your QR code. So your QR code is just right here beside your name. Now select it. So this is the QR code of your profile. And here you can find different designs you can also add on your QR code just like this. Now to add contact using the QR code, simply screenshot this and send this to someone who you want to add, or you can simply share your QR code. Now select it and share it onto the platform where you want to send or add the person. Their Facebook, Messenger or TikTok, any platforms. Now send it. And after scanning your QR code, you will have a new contact. And that's it. This is how you can add contact in Telegram using the QR code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.